Good afternoon. Today we'll be discussing the request for proposal from Efficient Solutions Consulting Group. My name is Rebecca and I'm here with my colleagues Hannah, Megan, and Jill. So let's start with who we are. Efficient Solutions Consulting Group. We're a small business based out of Arlington, Virginia, specializing in performance management. We employ performance management and selection specialists to guarantee that we can satisfy all of our customers' objectives for enhancing organizational performance and hiring. Our team has over 10 years of expertise building performance management systems and selection systems for global retail companies with needs very similar to yours. In the next slide, Hannah will explain exactly why we are the right fit for you.
While there are many firms that claim to specialize in performance management systems and training development, our firm is the best choice to help solve your organizational needs. Reasons we are the right choice for your company include our extensive industry experience, our highly trained and qualified professional staff, commitment to our clients' needs, and our continuous improvement of organizational performance techniques. Our firm has extensive industry experience with retail companies that enable us to provide solutions that focus on results tailored specifically to align with your organizational goals of improving overall performance and increasing customer satisfaction. We are experts in creating accurate and reliable performance measure tools and performance management systems for businesses similar to yours, which allow us greater insight into your needs.
Not only does our team of professionals have over 10 years of experience in developing performance management systems, but they're also highly educated experts in industrial and organizational psychology, receiving PhD and master's degrees in the field. It is this experience and expertise that is valued by our clients nationwide, who repeatedly turn to Efficient Solutions for direction while navigating the constantly changing workplace. Here at Efficient Solutions, we are 100% committed to your needs and operate with the highest standards of ethics and integrity. We'll assign you with a special team to design your performance management system, customized for your organizational needs in order to truly support your employees long-term.
If you've got a problem to solve or mandate to improve results, chances are we've done something similar before. We take the time to understand your needs and use our experience to collaboratively develop solutions that generate tangible results. That's why more than 80% of our clients work with us more than once. Here at Efficient Solutions, we understand that continuous improvement is crucial for a successful organization. What got you where you are will not get you where you want to be. We use a streamlined approach that assesses your organization and determines the areas or tasks that can be simplified or even eliminated to increase efficiency and productivity. Efficient Solutions dedicates time to teach our clients how to facilitate and modify our selected performance management tool on their own. This will allow them to be able to sustain this performance management system even after we leave. We take great pride in our tailored technical approach, which includes 3 phases that will take approximately 20 weeks from start to finish. The job analysis phase takes 6 weeks. This will allow your company 1 week to select subject matter experts, 2 weeks for the experts to complete the job analysis questionnaire, 1 week for our firm to complete the analysis portion, 1 week to discuss the results with the expert panel, and finally 1 week for us to construct a personalized presentation for you. The performance measurement tool phase will take 5 weeks. 1 week for us to use the data we collected in the job analysis phase to create an external and internal performance measurement tool. Approximately 1 week would be dedicated to the frame of reference training for customer service agents and their immediate supervisors to learn how to use the tool, which we'll discuss more further along in the presentation. 2 weeks for supervisors, peers, and clients to complete the feedback survey, and the last week will be reserved for data analysis and visualization. Finally, the performance management system phase will take 8 weeks. The first 4 weeks will include training programs on Rater training for teaching meaningful feedback conversations and reducing biases. This training will prepare employees to give accurate ratings in order to ensure enhanced communication, more objective appraisals, and provide employees with a frame of reference to evaluate their peers. Supervisors will be trained to have productive performance conversations with their subordinates, as well as how to develop performance goals that they can use during goal-setting interviews. The last 4 weeks will serve as an opportunity for the employees to utilize and practice putting their knowledge into action that they've gained from this training. At this point, employees can begin to initiate goal-setting interviews or informal conversations that will communicate performance expectations and progress.
As Jill explained, conducting a job analysis is the first phase. The objective of this phase is to identify which knowledge, skills, and abilities are necessary to perform the job successfully. We will be employing two methods of job analysis: a subject matter expert panel, or a SME panel, and the Fleischmann Job Analysis Survey. The SME panel will involve your organization identifying 12 to 15 SMEs in customer support positions. We will then employ the Fleischmann Job Analysis Survey to the SMEs. This survey is comprised of 73 items that isolate specific job areas such as social and cognitive abilities. Each of the 73 items are a 7-point scale that the SME will rank their competency on, as seen here on the right of the screen. At the end of this phase, we'll deliver a presentation including important information regarding the data gathered in the Fleischmann Job Analysis Survey. Cognitive abilities, psychomotor and sensory, interactive, and social domains will be covered. What's expected here is the client having an understanding of what knowledge, skills, and abilities are needed from employees in order to successfully recruit top talent and develop training programs for existing employees.
The second phase of our technical approach includes the construction of a performance measure tool. The purpose of this tool is to facilitate employee and organizational development to improve employee performance at your company. This assessment will incorporate a graphic rating scale that uses behaviorally anchored rating measures, or BARs, to collect feedback from immediate supervisors, colleagues, and individuals themselves. The successful application of this tool will necessitate precision in the feedback provided so that expectations are clearly stated, as well as practical coaching to put those expectations into action. This tool contains subjective measures and absolute anchored rating scales to evaluate the individual's job behavior to determine where improvements need to be made. We'll have a panel of subject matter experts, or SMEs, to evaluate and characterize effective customer service leader performance behaviors and construct performance categories like effective, average, and ineffective to create our behavior-based rating scale. Then a second group of SMEs will sort the performance behaviors into the performance categories that they believe are most appropriate. It's critical that they preserve only the relevant behaviors or add new behaviors that have been agreed upon. Finally, a second set of SMEs will create a scale value for all performance behaviors, from which a final version of the BARs will be created. The purpose of employing multiple rating sources from supervisors, peers, and the self is to improve reliability, validity, and inclusivity when evaluating performance, to mitigate biases because subjective assessments are prone to them. We propose that customer support staff agents and their immediate supervisors take rater training classes to learn what to look for when rating, how to eliminate biases in their ratings, and how to effectively convey their ratings to the agents. Rater training is recommended because it develops consensus among various raters, which improve the meaningfulness of these results when evaluating employee performance.
Organizational performance shouldn't stop here. We recommend implementing our performance measurement tool into a wider management system to accommodate all of your employee development needs. The performance evaluations would be combined with other strong strategies to ensure your employees are guided in the right direction. This includes both informal and formal conversations about performance. Your employees will have the opportunity to receive feedback, coaching, and recommendations from their supervisors on an ongoing basis, both before and after the formal evaluations.
Supervisors and employees will be trained precisely on how to have these conversations to learn about how they can improve and communicate expectations with a central reference founded on the integrity, inclusivity, and innovation that your organization values. Performance can be quantitatively tracked using electronic performance monitoring, a digital way for supervisors to directly check on employee operations, including customer feedback. Our tips can help StyleBox stay relevant in the dynamic fashion industry, help the employees be more productive with their time, and most importantly, keep your customers happy.
Thank you so much for your time, and please feel free to email us with your questions. We look forward to hearing back from you.